हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन करप्शन। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ आप जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। Corruption is known as the misuse of power for personal benefits. Corruption is always occurs. It is harmful for the individuals as well as the whole society. Corruption does not allow the governments to work for the welfare of the public. These days, corruption can be seen everywhere. It is like cancer for a nation. Unfortunately, the whole globe is facing the problem of corruption. Some main causes of fast spreading corruption today are poverty, unequal structure of society, unemployment, injustice, absence of rule, and above all the lack of sincere leadership and skill of good governance. Incapable and undeserving people always give birth to weak and corrupt systems. The corrupt systems always offer them shelter to hide their weak points and become corrupt. Corruption in public life covers corruption in politics, central and provincial governments, business, industry, and so on. Public dealing departments in almost all government offices are the places where corruption is most clear. Every fair and legal work is done on the basis of money. If anybody does not pay undue money for the work, it is sure that work would not be done. Looking at the present state of our country, we can say that there is a role of corruption in public life. People have grown so greedy for power and money that they can go to any extent to get power and money. The corrupt people talk of morality, values, and service of humanity, but that is only show off. Their inner voice is something else. It is always a greed for power and money. It has been seen that the officers who are appointed to look into the matters of corruption become corrupt. The leaders too are not less corrupt. Thus, the network of corruption is from top to bottom. तो दोस्तों, ये था ऐसे ऑन करप्शन। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक यू।